Hey, look who's up.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm better. Thank you.
Jonas, get a picture of me with this big smelly beast. Okay, wait. Here.
You want a proper picture? Get your head inside. Closer.
Closer?
Come on, get in.
Okay.
Yo, Jonas, please tell me you got that.
I got that, DJ.
That's not funny, man!
No, like seriously, it's funny. Look, watch this. We got the wall in the water. We got the wall in the water. We got the wall in the water.
HCM.
We got the wall in the water.
Yeah, next to the Meg. Look, remember the bite marks on the O-level?
Well, how do you like that? That was a serious man versus nature moment. Just glad things went our way.
It didn't go our way. Not for Toshi. And not for science. We did what people always do. Discover, and then destroy.
Hey, I will end you.
At least you can use this as your dating that pic.
Give you a little leg, you know?
Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Jellyfish. Nobody said there were two! How are they two? Help! Get me out of this water! Help! Somebody help, please! Help!
Oh, what is wrong with you?
I can't swim!
Now, get out of here. Really?
Don't put a racist stuff on me!
Come on, man. Give me a break. I'm not being racist. You work literally in the middle of the ocean.
This wasn't part of the job description. None of this was part of the job description! They left that bird out!